Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Remitly. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device and then tap on the sign in button to end up within the sign in page. Now you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Within this page, you will find the forgot password option underneath the sign in box. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email box and then click on the next button. You will now be asked to check your inbox in order to reset your password. Tap on the OK button and then check your inbox, within which you will find an email from Remitly. Go ahead and click on the link that is given within, and now you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation and then tap on the reset password button. And now you will be told that your password has successfully been reset. You can now enter your new password within the login page and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Remitly application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.